After you are in your WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance and click on Customize. From here, you can customize the settings of the theme. Click on Slider Options, set the home page slider to Enable, and if you don't want to show the slider, make it Disable. Set the category for the slider. Also, you can set the number of slides to show on the slider from here. Now just click on Publish to make the changes. Click on Featured Boxes option. If you want to enable the featured boxes, then click on Enable Checkbox button. Set the title of the first featured box. After that, click on Change Image button. Now upload the image from your computer. Then click Choose Image. Then, enter the second featured box title, image, and URL. And then, same for the third featured box. After that, click Publish. Now see, the featured boxes are displayed here, just below the slider. Now going back to the customizer. Click on General Options. From here, you can change post layout design. Click on Grid Post. And your posts on homepage will become grid posts, like this. Now click on Footer Settings. Change the footer copyright text, like Designed by Vinethemes, and click on Publish. See this text here, in the footer changes to it. Likewise, changing the footer credits to Powered by WordPress will change Designed by Vinethemes to Powered by WordPress. From typography options, you can change the fonts, sizes, color, alignment, etc. From site identity, you can change the logo of the website. Just click on Select Logo. Select the logo that you want, and click on Select button. You can choose to crop the logo image, or just skip it. You can uncheck this checkbox to show only the logo and not the text. After this, click on Social Links options. Here, you can provide your social links URL and click on Publish. They will get shown up here. Now comes the menu. Click on Menus option, go to View Location, and set the location of the menu, and click on Publish. Now see, here's the menu bar of your website. Now you can explore more features of this customizer from here. Thank you.